Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change theme in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to wallpaper and style. And here select theme. And here select any theme. Lot of themes are available. Just select any one. Here I would like to select this theme and click on apply, and yes, theme is now applying. Oh, okay, yes, it is applied. See the changes. Okay, again I go to the settings and then go to wallpapers and style, click on theme and click on open theme store. Okay, so that you can get more themes from internet. Okay, and here select a theme of your choice. I am selecting this theme and click on apply, and this theme is now applied. See the changes. No, it is not still applied. It is just downloaded, and click on apply here. And now I select another one because the previous one I selected was for only changing wallpaper. Okay, now I would like to select this wallpaper and click this theme. Click on apply, and theme is now applying. Okay, yes, it has been applied now. Okay, suppose if you would like to change back to default theme, what you have to do is again go to the settings, then go to wallpapers and style, and here go to themes, and here select default theme. This is the default theme, and click on apply, and it will be changed back to default theme. So in this way you can easily change theme in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.